Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing and review video. In this video we are going to review one of the popular backpacks from Safari, which is Crew 40. If you are going for an overnight trip or 2 days trip, this is more than enough for holding all your stuff. So I'll be explaining what are the features and another important stuff about this particular product. In the video description you can see the link to check the price, or you can purchase from there. And the most important stuff about these things will be explaining now. Let's start. Now if you see that it's a water resistant material they have used, the quality of the material is really good, so I will just show you around this particular stuff. Okay, even the color coding they have given, even the zippers are very strong and nice, so it feels really good. And here also you can see there is one compartment given in this place. It's a pretty big compartment as you can see, and there are multiple pockets. You can keep your items like some iPad or something, you can keep it here. Okay, so here if you see that it has an international warranty. That is the best thing actually. If you are an international student or person who is working outside, this is very useful. Okay, so capacity is mentioned here as 40 liter and price is 5,099, but you will get it in a very less price, less than 3,000 something. In the video description I have provided the link, from there you can get it actually. Okay, so you can, for there is a laptop compartment is there, suitcase opening organizer also there actually. Okay, now let's see. Here is the Safari branding. It looks really nice. Okay, from the side how it looks like, there is the compartment. Before that we'll go how this shoulder support. This is very comfortable and very lightweight, and you can hold this thing somewhere like some hook or something. You can just hang it down through that thing. Okay, so this material I really like it. Here also you can see that, and here the best thing about this, that there is another like suitcase kind of facility is given. It is very lightweight and very comfortable also. Sometimes you can carry like this, or you can carry as a backpack. This function I want in all the backpacks, and this is the most important function. I can see that this thing is for the compressing this thing. If it is getting too big or something, if the material is little less or little more, you can always tighten it actually. Means it is something like this, you can compress it actually. So that is a very nice thing. You can take it to the cabin luggage also as per this size specifications they have given. Okay, so now let's open the compartment and see. So this is how it looks from inside. I think there is a waterproofing thing here also. So here you can put your laptops or your iPads, and there is enough padding is given for protecting this thing. Okay, so you can keep your stuff in. Oh, there is a very strong padding here actually, so you can put your laptop without worry. So there is a good amount of safety they are offering in this particular area. Okay, that is the last compartment is shown. Now we will go to the second compartment actually. So the last compartment is shown, then there is one more compartment. So you can see there is a second compartment, so it's a plenty of space. Here you can keep your like sneakers or anything. If you want to keep it, you can keep it, and after that you can tighten it. This is a good really good option they have provided. 2 compartments, and there is another one big compartment here, so it's more than enough actually. Okay, and there is a comfortable holding portion also. So overall I like this particular bag, and if the brand is come from with the Safari, so you don't have to worry about anything, and international warranty also there, so you can take it along with your daily trips. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.